Look, everybody wants to be an astronaut, go to the moon. Stocks that go up 10x to 100x. And that's what we do at Wall Street Reporter's Next Super Stocks. So, if you want to go to the moon, you want to go into space, you need to learn about some of our next super stocks. What is that about? These are stocks which have asymmetrical setups. What's an asymmetrical setup? That's a situation where the risk is very limited. The risk is very limited, but the upside is massive. The upside is massive. So you have blue sky upside, and the risk is actually quite limited. What do I mean by that? You take a 3-cent stock. What's the risk? Where's it going to go to? Zero? Or realistically, it might drop a penny. So you're risking a penny, but what's the upside? This stock, potentially, based on catalysts, might be worth $1, $1.50, $2, right? That is an asymmetrical setup where you're risking, a few pennies maybe, and your upside is potentially, 20 to 1, 50 to 1, 100 to 1. Now look, we got a couple of those in our, sort of in our little cohort right now, class of 2022. We have a couple of stocks. Class of 2021 was an outstanding vintage. We had about probably one out of three of our stocks actually that we introduced went up 10x to 50x. One out of three. It's amazing. And we had about 9 of those 10x to 50x wins and a whole bunch of doubles, triples. Look, even before that, we've had many massive winners. Stocks that increased 10x to 100x. Way too many to count, of doubles, triples, what have you. But what they all have in common is those asymmetrical setups. So that's what you need. And again, the time to get into these stocks is usually when the market is beaten up. That is a good time. You make your money, you make your profits, on the buy side. And look, my friends, this is some incredible opportunities coming up in the markets, and I hope you take advantage. So look, let me know what you think. Leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Looking forward to catching up with you with our next 10 bagger once those things explode.